Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download compressor settings for voice clarity in Audition step by step clearly. Open Adobe Audition on your computer. Navigate to the Effects menu at the top of the screen. Select Amplitude and Compression from the drop-down. Click on Multi-Band Compressor. In the Multi-Band Compressor window, look for Preset options. Choose the voice preset for initial settings. Adjust the frequency ranges according to your voice type. Change the output gain to achieve desired loudness. Click the Apply button to apply settings to your audio track. To save your custom settings, navigate to the Preset drop-down menu at the top of the compressor window. Select Save as to create a new preset. Name your preset and click OK to save it. Your new presets will now appear in the preset list for future use. Close the multi-band compressor window. To download additional presets, visit reputable audio editing forums or websites. Search for Audition voice compression presets in your browser. Download the presets in a compatible format. Open Audition and navigate to the Effects menu again. Select Amplitude and Compression, then Multi-Band Compressor. In the Preset dropdown, click on Load Preset. Locate the downloaded preset file on your computer. Select the file and click Open to import the preset. Now, you can easily apply these settings to enhance voice clarity. Experiment with different presets to find the right fit for your audio projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.